Do I get the chair or we get the chips?
Woo!
Happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July!
Happy 4th of July.
You're in my camera.
Oh, that's actually nice.
It's pretty cool, right?
Looks like a sparkling tree. This is the best show ever. For $52.
Ow!
We get.
Ooh, I'll sit here.
Come on, Ethan, that's all you got.
Darn it.
Ow!
That's all you got. Come on.
I'm hungry. You're close. Record it, please.
I stole it too.
Can you record it?
Where did it go? There's fireworks happening behind us. Those chips stink.
This?
Yeah, I hate potato chips.
I like them. Am I running out of space?
Best view. Look at him. He's like, yep. Hey, girl. I'm here. Holy. Run out of there. Run away. Run away. It's lit.
Go, go! Don't die on us.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa, that's actually so cool.
Record it!
He gave it to Savannah.
That's all you got?
Sydney, please.
Yeah.
Run into the fireworks.
Daddy.
One way.
Daddy. That's time. Don't be
Where's Malachi? Oh my gosh, is he not here? He's not here?
No.
We were trying to ring his doorbell and give him Bean Boozled, but he wasn't there.
Yeah, he's not here. I think it was his Malachi.
Not on it. You can stand up now. You're really hurting my back.
I'm getting sweaty out here.
20 seconds. 20 seconds.
It's so dark now. People all the way back there are doing fireworks and up there.
You got that?
I did.
Everyone clapping? Clap, people.
Here, can you record it now? And then I'll sit in your seat. Thank you.
I don't think you see it like black clouds.
After my
They're like, that's all you're close. You're close. Can you record this for me? Up top. Right, no. If it goes out or something. Okay. Bing,
Anywhere where they're getting ready to shoot.
Yep.
Hey, there's the big one before the
Can you
end.
see it? Bing, bada, boom. Look at all these chickens. That was weird.
You can't eat all that.
Paris, Madison, Savannah, Sydney. About to do this fireworks show live and direct.
You can't eat
You're
all
outside.
Run!
Smell that. Go. Whoa.
You like this? You like this?
Oh, sorry.
Look at it! And it's dialing down. Wait, no, not yet.
It's like we get our own mini.
Fly in my arm.
It's like we get our own mini light show. You put a light show for all the instruments. Yeah.
They're like, woo!
Like the things are probably coming down slow to them, and then it's like. What if we just had them? What if we just had them all around the
You can stop now. You don't have to keep going.
coast?